Hey there, good evening. Kimberly, Faith, and Michael, as always, coming to you with a new adventure. And we shot the opening video. You probably are wondering like why I'm in like cheetah pants and stuff like that. We shot the opening video for this adventure, and when I put it into my editing system, it just disappeared.
Have you ever had that happen?
Disappeared.
Something like, oh, I recorded that. Where is it? Yeah. So this is we're introing the adventure that we already have.
That you're about to go on with us. We are going to a place called the Vortex in St. George. We learned about it the week prior when we ate at Guru's. The manager came up to us and he was sharing a bunch of secrets. And he said there's this place that only locals know about in the Gunlock, St. George area called the Vortex. So we decided we're going to find the Vortex.
Yeah.
It's cool.
It's so cool. And we're introing this like we haven't been there, but we've been there. Trust me, this one's awesome. I love this thing.
It's really cool. So I hope your anticipation is high. Let's get on the road.
Let's ride. Oh man, I totally want to cycle this road.
Of course you do. Every single week. There's another road.
Oh look, and here come two cyclists. Oh, I wish it was me. Oh, these guys are serious. Those are packs. There's a couple and they're living on the road. That's us.
Yeah, I am
Except
not.
You don't want to break your face.
I don't want to break my face on
She's so worried. That's her biggest fear in life is breaking her face.
Yeah, I don't.
She thinks if she's cycling, she's gonna like fall and break her face.
I'm gonna go so fast, and I won't be able to. And then I'll do what you did.
I'm sorry. Even though what happened, it's an irrational fear.
I'm gonna wear a mouth guard. Look at this view, guys.
Pretty amazing.
This is so amazing. We took Highway 91 before the gorge, so right around a little bit after Mesquite, about 8 miles after Mesquite, we got off on this road, Beaver Dam something creek, and it's taking us the back way to the Vortex, and it's beautiful, and it's so nice. Like, I love the gorge, but it's nice to have a little break once in a while, do something different.
Yeah.
All right, look at it. It's dark out. We're gonna be possibly hiking in the rain. Off of 91, we turned onto Lower Sandy Cove dirt road.
And yeah, you don't need a four-wheel drive or truck. You probably do it in a car so far, but
So far, it's 3 miles on this road. We're here. It's so beautiful around because it's cloudy and it's raining, which I'm pretty excited about. Don't mind hiking a little bit in the rain. Isn't it great to hike in the rain?
love it.
Love it.
I live for it.
Exactly. So this hike is, like I said, called the Vortex, 2.4 miles. You start at Lower Sand Cove Trailhead, and I'm not really sure of the route, but there's a couple other people here, so I guess we'll just follow them and hope for the best. So the trail is pretty well marked. There are cairns along the way. Pretty beautiful around here. All kinds of different landscape. There's a lot of places around here that you can just go climb. It's pretty cool. If you look around, just different sets of rocks that you can scramble. I'm not quite sure we're on the right trail, honestly.
Me either.
Okay, basically you want to hug the rocks as much as possible. If you find yourself going into forest or brush, you're in the wrong place. So we're just gonna follow those people. Peanut's cold. That's my umbrella.
I have never had an umbrella on a hike.
Look how beautiful these rocks are. Just surrounded by beauty. It's a bit tough because the rain and the wind. Who has my hat on and who's in my shirt, soaking wet and shivering, but we haven't made it quite yet. We're almost there. I probably have makeup all over the place, right? Yep, look, yep. Oops, oh well. That's what rain does. It's just water. Which way?
Let's go over this hill.
Okay.
The Vortex arriving. We're here.
No.
But that's what it's got us.
Yeah, that's not correct. It's time for Peanut to carry his own weight. Probably not the best idea to do this with wet rocks. We are going to try and go up the shortest part where you see the white stripes going down, because if going this way would be too steep and the rocks are wet. So we're gonna go to where it's a little lower and hopefully get up.
Yeah.
I feel like I have not been giving you good directions at all, and I haven't.
Because we didn't know them.
Because we didn't know them. We're still figuring it out. We saw another family come from there.
The path looks like it goes around. So even though the vortex is this way, we're following what as the crow flies where it is. But to get there, it looks like you come up that valley of all the the rocks and all the this valley, this canyon, and work your way up through here and around and back. Because it says it's right over here. You can't climb there.
We're gonna
try.
We're gonna try. We found the trail. See, the vortex is in there to the right. I don't know what direction that is on the compass, but the trail is right there. So we're gonna do this. Look how beautiful. It's incredible. I'm just waiting for the rain to come again, but for now, I'm going to enjoy. So we climbed up, and I think we are approaching the thing we came for, and you're gonna see it the same time I do. Ready? Boom, 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 boom.
Nope.
Oh, false alarm. Keep going. My bad. Okay, here we go again. False alarm. It's somewhere on the top of this.
Here we go.
Here we go. Is this it? I think this is our moment. Maybe this is it. Is this the toilet bowl? I don't think this is. Maybe.
It's a toilet bowl.
It's a toilet bowl. It's not the toilet.
This is a toilet bowl, but it is not
The toilet bowl. Oh man, this is it.
We just accidentally almost stepped in it.
Ta-da! The vortex.
So here's the deal. She's trying to find her way down into this thing, and it's actually kind of difficult.
This is harder than it looks, guys. And remember, it's all kind of wet. You've got to have good shoes. Well, if it's wet. If it's dry, you could probably do it with any kind of sneaker. Peanut.
But it's sandy.
Yeah.
That's the real problem. Ta-da!
It says horny.
I am the poop.
He's
I'm
the
in
poop.
the toilet bowl.
He's in the toilet bowl. We are here looking at all the names, trying to find the oldest one. Hey, look, Kimberly. 98, 92, 93.
I have an
94.
88. There's a 91.
There's a 91. Let's see what we can find.
I saw an 88 back there.
An 88? Okay, so we got to beat 88. We found Lori, 72. So far, that's our winner. Let's try it again.
That's pretty good.
A whole bunch of other people coming. See that? Look at that. There they are, like little ants. It's cool. It's totally worth a day trip from Vegas. I mean, 2 hours, totally easy. And then we can eat at St. George. Oh, look at this, look. Look at this amazing storm cloud. This is heaven right here. Now we have to figure out how to get down. We came up kind of around this way. The storm's headed for us. We got 15 minutes. The boss says we have 15 minutes. Well, it's hailing. We are making our way back in the hail. I'm carrying a dog. It's been quite the adventure. Man, oh man. I feel bad for the people who didn't make it to the vortex. We're trying to get back as quick as possible. If you look, everything is covered in white. The hell that we just experienced I'm holding the dog again. It's freezing. Whew, man. We made it out through the canyon. The final leg here. See how they're going? When you're going in, you want to cut right up and basically do whatever you can to head to the orange rocks. Stay away from the forest. Stay away from the volcanic rock.
You don't want to turn that hard left up the creek.
Yes, you don't want to do that. Just head for the orange rocks.
We know that because we did.
Yep. We make all the mistakes so you don't have to.
That's our mission.
We found him. We found Cal 3553. We found him. What?
Cal 3553? How do you know that was Cal 3553?
Because I've been looking for him since January.
I know, but how do you know that's him? You didn't look at it. You didn't check his ears.
I didn't check his earrings.
He doesn't have earrings. It has a tag.
No, it's his earrings. Cal 3553. We are headed out, and we're taking the other side of Lower Sandy Cove. And you see this? Last week, that's the Vea volcano that we climbed last week. So what did you think of the Vortex?
I thought it was cool. It was a great hike. We did make a number of errors along the way, but it's one of those where once you get the idea of where it is, you can just kind of piece your way there. You know what I mean?
That's true. I think we did a terrible job of giving you instructions to get up there because I was miserable. And look at how wet my shirt is. You see this? This is all wet. This is not a difference in color in my shirt. It's because it's soaking wet because I had a dog in my shirt coming out the top trying to hold him because he was shivering.
Oh yeah, he was so cold.
He wasn't. Look at my hair, but whatever. So now we're going to see at the gas station we found these cookies that were really, really good. And
so we're gonna have 12 of them for lunch.
Well, we're gonna see if the cookie place has a storefront.
Yeah.
Because they have an address of St. George, so we're gonna go look for these cookies. So we stopped at 806 North Bluff Street in St. George, and it's a gas station, but it's Splash. It's the place where they serve the cookies. So we're gonna buy a dozen of them to make us last for the next couple months of adventures.
And they have a special deal.
They have a special deal here. So 806 North Bluff Street for these Splash cookies.
And they're so good.
So good. We did it. We did it. Michael is not in the video because we went back to his house and he dropped me off at my car, and I realized we didn't shoot a goodbye video. So he says goodbye too. Today's adventure was awesome. The hike was great, and the added adventure aspect of awful weather and fighting hail kind of made it a little bit cooler. I really recommend it. It's fun. It's different. It's not too hard, but it's a fun treasure hunt to go find the Vortex. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support, and we will catch you on the next adventure. Hasta luego, amigos. Bye-bye.